This is a brand new website that we have never talked about earlier on this channel, but actually pays pretty well and it's absolutely free. Plus, it works all over the world. Now, don't worry, you will not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites or film any videos or whatsoever. It's a lot easier and it can literally be done in less than 25 minutes by copying and pasting only if you will follow all of the steps from this video. See, if you want to make this work, you must be patient to watch every second of this video and stay tuned until the end to maximize your results. Now that you will need to take action because this is not going to fall from the sky. You will need to put in some work. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So you can see this website will pay you $100 per person you refer to it. So you just need to refer 5 people to make $500, and I'm about to show you how you can do this in less than 25 minutes. I'm going to explain you exactly how you can promote it to make $500 again and again for absolutely free. And this is nothing to do with social media. So you don't need any social media followers for this, and you will once again not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites or whatsoever. So let us begin with step number 1. For the first step, you will need to come over to eclincher.com. This is a top-ranked social media management platform where people, business owners, and entrepreneurs come together to social media accounts managed for them. So let me give you an example. Let's say for instance, you're a huge business owner and you run a restaurant and you are like 40 to 50 years old and you're busy managing your business. But you know the power of social media and you know how many new customers you can attract. Nowadays, every single business out there needs at least some social media profile and business owners know that. But they don't have time to run these accounts themselves. That's why they turn to websites like eClincher and Pay It and other similar platforms to manage their social media accounts for them. A lot of business owners and entrepreneurs use these tools to outsource the work, and if you use eClincher, not only will you get all of your accounts managed for you, but you will be guaranteed to boost your social media ROI and grow your reach across channels, which is really good. So business owners will not only get their accounts managed. So for step number 1, I highly recommend you to go over to eclincher.com. Go through this first page and read more about it and find out more about how it works. You'll be able to see that they have been featured in Forbes, ABC, the Huffington Post, Fox News, and so on and so forth. You just need to go through the website to learn more about them, and that's it for this step. For step number 2, once you've read more about eClincher, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. And right here where it says eClincher, I want you to click Partner Affiliates. You will become a partner of eClincher in order to make hundreds of dollars. You will see exactly how it works. Grow with eClincher. If you start promoting eClincher and you can get customers that are interested in getting their social media accounts managed, you will get $100 per each customer you refer, which is $500 for 5 people, and I'm literally going to show you how you can get it all done in less than 25 minutes. Once again, you can see Get Rewarded. Turn your online presence into profit with up to $100 per paid Clincher subscription when a client uses your link to subscribe. So you will get your special affiliate link, which you will need to promote in a way which I'm about to share with you. And whenever someone uses it to sign up to eClincher, you will make $100 once again with 5 people. You have $500, and the best thing is that you can do it for unlimited times. You can do it again and again, and basically you'll have an income which you can't rely on every single month. So for step number 2, you will need to apply to their affiliate program by coming over to this affiliate page. And right here where it says apply here, just click that button. Now you'll need to enter your valid email address in this box. your full name in these two boxes. If you have a website, you can leave a link to it right here. If you have none, you just need to use your YouTube channel's URL. Even if you have no videos on it, no subscribers or whatsoever, just use that link and paste it here where it says website, and that will work. Then for the company name, you can also leave that blank if you don't own a company. Select your country, you will enter their phone number in this box. Create a password, leave some of your social media links, and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy by clicking on this link right here. You don't have to sign up as their email subscriber. I don't prefer to do that. So you don't have to fill this box, and after that, I just had to sign up, and then you'll have to wait for a couple of hours to get accepted. So now you can do pretty much whatever you want to. Just wait for that email from eClincher, and once you receive an email that you've got accepted into their affiliate program, you will be able to drop that special affiliate link and start promoting this website. Once again, for every person that signs up through your affiliate link, you will make $100. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to provide any service. You just share your link and you collect your profits. It's simple as that. And now the last step. Once you have been accepted into their partner program, you can grab your affiliate link, which is probably gonna be in a couple of hours. I would just need to start driving traffic, and the best absolute free traffic source which you can use are freelancing websites. So you can use People Per Hour, Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Upwork.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of different freelancing websites now which you can leverage, and the more of them you use, the more money you will make. Now I'm gonna use peopleperhour.com as an example, but once again, you can use any freelancing platform you prefer. You will have to come over to this website, go to the search bar, and I want to search for the service called social media management. So type in the box, social media management, and that's going to give you all of these people who are providing this service. Over 1,200 people making money by providing social media management service, and you can see that they're definitely making a lot of money. You can see, for instance, this person is selling this service for $155, and they've got over 8,000 feedbacks, and you know that not every single person will leave a feedback, so they probably made over 10,000 sales with a price of $155 or $400 or $40 and so on. So they're definitely making a lot of money by providing this service, and now you can help them because they're probably spending hours working for all of those customers. They probably work 10 hours a day or something like that, and now you can help them by providing them with eClincher, which is basically going to do all the work for them for less than $100 a month. So for them, just like $5 to $100 a month, and they can get all of the work done for them. So not only will they have a lot more time, but they will be able to help to a lot more clients, and they will be able to provide a lot more services and ultimately make a lot more money. So you're helping them grow their business by working less, and that's why these guys will be thankful when they offer them eClincher through your affiliate link. And you can see that this person is not the only person making money by providing the social media management service. For instance, this guy's also making a lot of money, over 1,200 feedbacks at a price of $15, and you can see all of these people are making a lot of money by providing social media management services. And you can contact and tell them that you have the platform which is going to do all the work for them. But you must be careful. You don't want to go in the contact page and just type a message. Hey, here's my affiliate link. Sign up with it, because that way you will immediately get banned from all of these freelancing websites. It doesn't work like that. But other than that, you want to take them off of the peopleperhour.com or any freelancing platform you're using. You want to tell them, for example, hey, I have a website. It is basically going to do all the work for you, and it's going to help you make a lot more money with their services. If you want to learn more about it, you can email me here or you can DM me on Instagram or whatever contact details you want to give them. And once they contact you, then you can give them your affiliate link. But otherwise, adminsandpeopleperhour.com, Fiverr and freelancer.com, they will just notice that you're just offering your affiliate link, and that is obviously against their policy, and they will remove and ban you from the website. So don't make that mistake. Once again, you just need to grab your affiliate link from eclincher.com, come to some freelancing websites, search for social media management, find all of these people providing the social media management service, and offer them eClincher through your affiliate link. So that's it for this video. I hope you did get some value out of it, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next videos.